Okay, now we're ready to find the edge. We're going to use our wiggler, edge finder, whatever you want to call it. We're going to find our X edge first. The tip of our wiggler is 0.200 thousandths. Alright, we found the edge. I'm going to zero my X on the controls. I'm going to move over an additional 100 thousandths to put me on the center of the spindle. Re-zero. Now I'm ready to do my Y. Okay, I have the edge and Y. I'm going to zero my Y on the CNC control. I'm going to move the additional 100 thousandths. I'm going to re-Z my Y-axis. And now I have my XY0 coordinate set. Now we're going to touch off with our end mill and set our Z0. Okay, now we have our part touched off with our 1/2-inch carbide end mill at the surface of the material. Rather than use the Z button, like I showed you previously with the X and Y to zero out the coordinate, we're going to do it the way most machinists are probably familiar with. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our offset settings. We're going to navigate to the work tab, and we want to make sure we're in our G54 coordinate system. I'm going to scroll to Z. I'm going to input Z0, and I'm going to hit the measured button. Now this machine does not have a tool changer. If it had a tool changer, this empty space here would have something that reads like input C or input calculate. But because I don't have that, this is the way I got to do it. Okay, now we have our program loaded. All the rest of our tools are touched off. I did that while you weren't looking with my drill and my reamer. And this is the run. By using the stop at the other end, this is how I'm controlling my overall length. The work light helps me to get everything set up, but it doesn't seem to do too good with the camera. This looks much better on my viewfinder. Now I'm going to flip it over and finish the radius on the other side. Now is where I changed the shim from a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch. So I'm going to back the jaws out, take the part out, remove the shim. That was the 1/2 inch shim. We're doing the 1 inch shim. Now we'll switch back to my 1/2 inch shim. Change the tool. Remember I said I don't have an ATC, so I have to do it by hand. And there we have it.